Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting happened with the builds today. Dev channel and Canary channels have received the builds. So the build number is not yet jumped. It's still low in the same game as it was. We moved from 26040 to 26052. But one thing has changed in the panel, and it says here, version 24H2. So they've moved us from 23H2 to 24H2, meaning that the next few builds might actually give us the big jump and give us the future of Windows. 24H2 is definitely here now. Nothing much happening right now with this build. They have not really introduced many changes, but we're probably going to get something. Now, what I find interesting is the fact that both Dev and Canary have moved on to 24H2. I would have expected that Canary moved to 24H2, but before. So it seems that Dev also will be testing 24H2 builds. We're going to check that out. It'll be interesting to see the next build. Will we be jumping ahead far away with the new features of 24H2? But one thing for sure is that time is, ticking. And the fact that Microsoft has the schedule, if you want, of at least getting two OEMs D24H2 by June of this year, and finally out eventually September, October for everybody. There must be a build out there with a lot of new things in it. So this, I think, is the preparation into the next big leap forward to what is going to be the future of Windows in the operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.